Hey guys, just woke up and first thing I do is go to X, of course, and I see this post from Kiri about showing off this enhance your post with Grok. So yeah, let's see. Let's go into my drafts and see something that maybe Grok can help me out with. I was thinking this one here. Okay, so I don't see anything here, so it must be I have to hit this. Okay, so I can generate an image or enhance my post. Let's see what we can do. Proofread. Okay. It Okay, so it proofread it right off the bat and gave me some grammar correction. And I guess that did work, but what does this do? 25%. Okay. I can refresh this. Yeah. Okay. Um, I can shorten it as personality. Okay. What if I do, let's do roast comic. Okay, guys, have some fun with this today and enjoy your Sunday. I hope I will see you later at my live stream, which will be coming up at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. And we're going to be talking about building confidence on camera and all that fun stuff. So hope to see you there.